Hi guys, today we're gonna make a one-layered unicorn chocolate cake. Sorry, just that it was very long, so yeah. Okay, for the dry ingredients, we will use a half cup of flour, a quarter cup of cocoa, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, quarter cup of oil, quarter cup of sugar, and some milk. Now, in a bowl, we will mix together our flour, our cocoa powder, and our baking soda, baking powder, and salt. E. And now we will mix that all together. I'm using a whisk, but you can use whatever you have at home, like a spoon, a fork, or even a stand mixer, or anything you like. And now we're going to go to our wet ingredients. For 1/4 cup of oil, a quarter cup of our sugar, and I also forgot to say 1 cup of vanilla. And some milk. And now mix all of my wet ingredients all together. Stop when you have no lumps. And now we'll mix our wet and dry ingredients together. So we'll put our wet ingredients. That sounded so nice. And then we will mix it all together. The smell smells so good. Chocolatey goodness. Yum. And then you'll form this rich, creamy, chocolatey goodness. Now we will take our pan, and now I will put some baking spray on my thing, the baking pan. Oopsies. And now I'll dump in this chocolatey goodness. Ooh, wow. That looks so satisfying. Oopsies. Okay, now I'll just scoop it out with a spatula. There we go. And I'll just... Now I have already preheated my oven for 350, so I'm just gonna add it in. Ooh, hot. Oh my god, I got a whiff of the hot air. There we go. And now I'll just close it. So now we're going to be doing our fondants. So I have 1 roll of yellow and another roll of yellow. So I'm going to just wrap one, and then I'm just gonna wrap it like this, and then wrap continuously like this, and then I'll just put them together and smudge them like that to make sure they stick, and then I'll make this part pointy. And there's my horn. Now we're going to the fun part of this. We're going to take our gold luster dust, or any gold type, like it can be also a gold spray or anything you like. In fact, you don't even have to do this part if you don't want to. I'm going to just dab my finger in, and then I'm just going to press it on. Like, not like press, just, gradually massage it on. So this is how my unicorn horn looks like. So I accidentally dropped some luster dust. So that's what happened here. And so I just rolled it around. So you can do that if you wanted to. So that's why I moved to a new thing. So now we're going to make its ears. Since I don't have white fondant, we're gonna do a little crazy, okay? So I'm gonna just roll this out with the yellow fondant. Oh boy, this is hard. Oh boy. Okay. Thanks, camera guy, for holding my thing. Okay. And then I'm just gonna roll it properly. Oh. Ew. Okay, there we go. We got it. And now I'm just going to free-handedly do, like, I'm gonna just cut out the ears. So I'm just going to go anonymously. I don't really know how to do this. So, yeah, I just ruined that. Okay, that's okay. Okay, and now I'm just going to make another one of that and then a mini one for the inside. So I have my 2 mini insides and my big outsides. So I'll take my mini ones and just roll them in luster dust. Okay. Make sure they look completely gold. And then the other one. And then I have a little bit of water, so I'm going to just apply a little bit of water over here on one end, and then I'm going to put the water side down and stick it. There we go. And then I'll do the same with the other one. Water it and stick. And we have our ears and our horn, and we're gonna just let this dry. Now I have baked my cake for 45 minutes and it's done now, so I'll just take it out. And now I have set my cake to cool, yummy. And I'm gonna just flip it over like that. If yours is hot or your pan's hot, let it cool down for more time. I'm just gonna flip this over so then I can level it. So I'm just gonna level this part because we don't want a lumpy unicorn now, do we? Just like that. Go everywhere. It's okay if it crumbles a little, I mean, it's okay, right? It'll get messy a little. I'm just gonna take out the parts I've cut. And I'm just gonna finish. Yes. Now I have cut my excess. You can make cake pops or whatever you want with that. I've tried that once and it was delicious. And I'll just, I leveled it, so I'm just gonna turn it over to make it on the smooth side. It's gonna take off all those crumbs. And then I'm gonna take my vegan serval icing. I was too lazy to make some at my house, so I got this. And I got, oh, look at this, so creamy and yum. Okay, and I'm just going to smooth it across. And then I'm gonna frost the whole cake. So I have iced it, I've done a thick layer, and now I'm going to start decorating. I'm gonna add our decorations. So what I have to do is I'm going to take our unicorn horn and I'm going to insert a stick in it, or like a skewer or a toothpick or whatever you have available at home. And then I'm just going to just add it right there. Ooh, look how pretty that is. And then I'm going to add, okay, make sure you don't fall. Sorry, I'm just nervous about my thing. And I'm gonna take one of my ears and I'm going to insert a toothpick right on the bottom here. And I'm gonna just do that. And then I'm gonna place it right over here. Go in. Okay, just gonna push it in. There we go. And I'm gonna do that with another one. This one is kind of brokenish, so I don't know if it'll fall, but let's give this a try, shall we? Okay, let's put this right over here. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. Look how pretty that is. Now it's prettier. And then we're gonna do the face details. How do I, my handwriting, yeah, adjust. Where does it go? And I'm just going to add its eyes, so I'll just put some closed eyes. This is some writing gel, so I have some gel. Okay, that looks nice. Let me just make some eyelashes. Sorry, I'm not writing that good on this. Okay, I guess that looks good again. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the other one. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, and then another one. And another one. And then another one. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Good enough to eat. Now this cake is done. Look at this beautiful creation. I don't think I've ever made something so beautiful, so I'm so proud of myself. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.